You ever notice how pets can be so oblivious, then suddenly they spot their own reflection? It's like they think, who is this intruder invading my space? They creep closer, sniffing and growling, convinced there's a rival in their territory. The tension builds as they bark or hiss, launching into an epic showdown with themselves. It's a hilarious one-sided battle full of confusion and determination. And just when you think they'll figure it out, they look to you for answers as if you hold the key to this mysterious foe. Exhausted from the fight, they finally flop down, still eyeing that mirror like it's a threat. Classic pet moments, right?